In this video, I'll show you how to load paper inside of your DYMO LetraTag 200B label printer. It's very easy. So the first step is to open the lid of the printer. And to do this is very easy. You just have to lift it and the hinge will be on the right side. Then take your paper, and by the way, I'll put links in the description if you want to get some of these from Amazon. This also supports my channel. Then take your cartridge, make sure that the label is facing up and not down. And then all you have to do is to align it like that and push it until it clicks in place. This is very important. Once you're done, you just have to close the lid. Again, it should click, press the power on, and you're ready to print. So this is it. This is very easy to do. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, check the Amazon links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.